Okay, listen, something easy, fast you can do this weekend. I'm so pumped. Hi, Brooklyn.
Brooklyn Maple from Kentucky Legends here. She's making pull-apart Cuban sliders. I gotta tell you, they're not bad.
He's already
tasted it.
He's already tasted it.
That's
We're
one go.
missing one.
We've got a search and rescue out for that one piece right there. So we
There
have
you
a
go.
report by the show.
Don't worry, you're missing two in just a moment. Okay, Brooklyn, so we're using Kentucky Legend products.
Yes,
Tell us how to do
we
it.
are using our hickory smoked ham. The number one thing I always say about how great our products are is it's already pre-cooked, it's double smoked. All you have to do is chop it up. I think the most exhausting thing when working out.
Yeah.
That is exhausting.
Listen, working
I
out's
do feel like
exhausting
cutting
too.
and chopping things is similar to working out, but the hardest thing in making a recipe seems to be the pre-work. With this, it's just so easy. So
It's simple.
let's show you.
All right.
All right,
You know
so-
this is my favorite. This and the turkey, because it's
And that's
simple.
why I do
Yeah,
it. I do it
know.
for you,
Thank
100%.
Thank
So what we have are Hawaiian rolls.
Yes.
And we've already cut them in half. We did butter the pan. Make
Okay.
sure to do that. This is a 9x9. It calls for a 9x9 because you're technically using 2 packages. But if you want to do an 8x8, you only need the just 1 package of the Hawaiian rolls.
Gotcha.
Now the-
Okay, so when you do the
yes.
big slice, because I always love to do this, you can just
Yes.
take your knife. Hold on, where like the super surplus thing. Just take your knife and just slice,
Yes.
fold it open. It's a
And
good
then
time.
remember, the one thing I've
Super
done when I've done
fast.
this before is I can pay 1,000% attention to where I was like putting my bases.
Look at that.
So my base,
What are
grab
you
that
looking
for
for?
me.
Yeah, what
These are the
you
Great
grab
King's
that?
Hawaiian
Yeah,
rolls,
what do you want to
right?
grab?
Just the top. Oh, I see the bottom
There you
did cut
go.
off.
That's all right.
Like
we're
an
gonna put
iPad.
it
No
that
one's
way.
going to complain.
Yes, right? And we are going to put on the bottom just mayo,
Okay. How much? Just enough to,
however much makes you happy.
okay, the whole pan, but that's okay.
Just whatever
People
makes
don't
you
like
happy.
mayonnaise. And so
You could do
I,
half and half. You could please
If,
others.
if I'm
Will you
doing
butter
this, it's
me?
all.
And I'm going to cut this
Yes,
part.
yes, yes.
Or I'm actually
Yeah,
going
No,
to
just
rip
leave.
this
It's
off.
fine. It's fine. No one cares. Just go with it.
I'm able to make this at the
I mean, we
house.
understand, right?
I really feel like you can do this.
I don't know. Have you seen me cook?
No?
I can
This
really
is
make
really.
eggs.
This is actually more just assembly, Joe. I don't
Yeah,
think.
really, I
I don't
would call
feel
it
like
that.
this is cooking. This is assembly. All right,
There we
great.
go.
We should.
Thank you. We
should-
really need to.
Okay. I need to take that one here. I'll take care of this guy here. I'll have a word with him.
There you go.
All right.
You're hilarious, Joe.
And then we are putting pickles. Now, we use like little baby ones, as you can tell, and I just cut them really thin.
Those are cute.
I say I did. I really didn't. Carissa did it. I feel like I have to give her props for
What type of
cutting.
pickles did you choose here?
Those are actually the sweet gherkins.
You went sweet.
One more, I'm going to say Carissa did because she did the grocery shopping.
I'm
so.
into it. I'm into
Chris
it.
is
Well
sitting
done.
back like, oh my God. Then you're going to put on the cheese. We're using 6 slices of Swiss.
Oh, you just, okay, covers it all. Okay, not individually.
Joe,
put
if
it-
you don't feel like
Correct.
Swiss, you can switch out whatever cheese you like.
we got one left here, right? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I
do you
did.
want a cheese slice?
Do you want it?
Yeah, do you mind?
Wait.
No, take it. It's all.
Thank
It's
you so
all.
Please, everyone, be kid people
And then
understand
do you
what
want
I'm saying by
to
cheese
put
slice.
that on this? We're going to
Yes,
put
I
the
do.
mustard on bottom of it.
Yes.
And then we are using our Kentucky Legend ham. Really use as much as you want. It calls for a pound, which is 2 cups if you're dicing those, chopping it.
Crystal cut this up too?
No, I actually cut
Oh,
up.
okay. Did
So-
some work today. All right, Brooklyn.
I did something. I also cut the bread in half incorrectly.
Look
so
at you. Yes.
I'm doing my best.
I
Some
feel
work
like
in
you could
progress.
have not even diced it and just kind of.
I did do that before, but then it takes away the concept of pull apart because you cannot pull it apart.
Gotcha.
This is
Wait,
fascinating.
I think I got the size off. Oh,
That's
no,
okay,
we're
'cause
missing
we
the one.
ate a
It's the
piece.
Joe bite.
A piece
The
of
Joe bite's gone.
Was that from earlier?
You
I'm
what?
sorry.
This
That's okay.
segment's
Okay.
really working out.
This
okay?
looks great. This comes
I
together.
was like, this will be the easiest one. We're making the world's easiest sandwich. And then it just all went awry with
That's Joe's.
the lack of the center.
That's the Joe
It's
piece.
like watching,
Yeah.
it's like the one, the beta one,
That's-
the one they
And
take
then
away.
presto,
I'm gonna put that over
change
there.
Joe.
You are going to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. It only takes 15 minutes. In total, you can do this in 25 minutes. Chris and I were literally just like hanging out the entire time waiting for the show to
But
start
that
because
is,
it was so
that's,
easy.
so for a guy like you who can't cook and knows how to do the microwave, this is excellent. This is easy and simple and good, right?
Yes.
It's
Oh my,
delicious.
where's Carol? My
Well, I have
backup
another
here.
I'm gonna say it's delicious.
It's
Yes.
delicious. I
Thank
get
you
what
so
you're
much.
saying. Chopping up the ham,
Yes.
it does pull apart more easily.
Yes, I did
That
it before,
is-
and I did just layer it, and then I went through and cut it.
Cut it.
And Hawaiian rolls are awesome, but they're not always perfectly lined up, so it's kind of
Right.
annoying going through it. and
Right,
cutting.
right.
Brooklyn, you're the best.
Oh,
Thank
delicious.
you.
You know what?
This is my lunch today.
It was a mess. It was a messy go through, but the end product is delicious. So love it. Kentucky Legend, you can find it at any grocery store. It's really the best recipes. Go to KentuckyLegend.com. This recipe on our website today in Nashville. All right, we'll be right back.
Thank you, Brooklyn.
You're welcome. Joe, you can have more.
Oh,
There's a
calling
lot.
up fans of Games of Thrones, this one's for you. One of the actors for the hit show is here. Yes, he's got details on a big convention that's happening right now in Nashville this weekend. That's next.